Pennsylvania Cooking. Today we're going to do another salad. It's the summertime, so salads are popular, and honestly, for this kind of salad, I actually like, we're going to do broccoli salad, my version anyway. A million different ways to make broccoli salad. I'm just making it the way I like it. But I actually like broccoli raw a lot better than cooked, so broccoli salad is a favorite for me because I get the raw broccoli and all the goodies that go with it. So, simple video, not much to it, but it's a really good broccoli salad, and let's get to it. So this is pretty simple. I have one really big head of broccoli. I'm going to chop that up smaller. Around 6 to 8 pieces of good quality bacon fried off. Some mayo, or you can use Miracle Whip. I like Miracle Whip a lot for this, but I have mayo on hand. Cheese, sugar, finely diced onion, apple cider vinegar, and raisins. So I have my broccoli cut up the way I like it here, and I'm going to add my finely diced onion. Just about want to use like one small onion. Get that. About a cup of cheese, shredded cheddar cheese. I'm just using a snack size box of raisins. Mike's not big on raisins, but he's okay with it in this, so he's better about raisins than he used to be. Then I'm just going to take my bacon, crumble that up, and use good quality bacon because especially with the smoky flavor, comes through really nice in the salad. Like if I have to buy a, God forbid, a store brand, I like getting like the hickory smoked or similar applewood smoked bacon. Give it nice extra flavor. Now we're going to make our dressing. So I've got our mayo or Miracle Whip. Add the sugar and add some, you can use regular vinegar, but I like the apple cider vinegar better. I think it gives a nice taste. You're going to mix this really well. And then we're just going to dress our salad with it. And toss it good. And then I chill it for 3 to 4 hours. Even better if you can let it sit overnight, like with most of the salads, so that it really goes through. And guys, that's it. So I'm going to put this in to chill, and we'll come back and try it a little later. Time for the taste test. There you can see all the goodies. And if you like more dressing on yours, you're welcome to up the recipe. We like it dressed but not swimming in it. So like I said, I make this the way I like it. Bacon. And the raisins and cheese and a little bit of onion and give it some sass. It's a really yummy salad. Super simple. A yummy and easy way to get your veggies in. A really nice salad for summer. It's easy to take away, especially if you have any of the cool and serve bowls like I do. So, like I said, simple broccoli salad, my version. Give it a shot.